Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Emma, and today I will draw Beckett Mariner from Star Trek Lower Deck. This was requested by a fan, and I hope you like it. Let's get started. To draw Beckett Mariner, we're first going to draw her eyes. So right here, I am going to draw a tilted U. So this U is slightly tilted towards this way. You can see that the bottom of the U on this side is taller than the bottom on this side. And not too far away from the eye, let's draw the other eye. And this time it's going to tilt that way. So I'm just going to draw this point across to make sure that the other side of the eye sits at the same height as the other one that we just drew. And then using soft lines, we are going to connect the bottom of the U shape. So as you can see, this U is tilted this way. And I'm just gonna extend the ends of the U shape to make sure that the curves are like curving in. Right, and then now let's draw the eyelids. So from here, I'm going to draw a curved line that goes towards the top and then bring back this little triangle to thicken the eyelid, and just gonna thicken it by drawing another line on top of it. And now from here, let's draw a small half circle for the pupil. And we're going to do the same on the other side. A curved line that goes up. And then at the end, let's draw some lashes by thickening the line there to draw a little triangle towards the end. And now bring this line back there and draw another small half circle for the other pupil. There, now to draw the nose, let's come in between the eyes and draw a slightly tilted J. This is like a letter J, but is tilted. And now let's draw the smile. So from here, so this end will be taller and this end will be lower, and let's just draw a slanted curve. And for now, let's just use a pencil to draw the shape of the lips, and we are going to later on use colored markers to color them. There. Now let's draw the brows. So this left brow is very low and it's very close to the left eye, and we are going to start by drawing a line that goes up to give this brow an arch. And right around here is like the 1/3 of the eye, and let's bring this brow down. That's the left brow. And now let's draw the right one. So the right, it will sit a little bit higher than the left, and similarly around like 1/3 of the length here, this will be the arch. And let's connect to draw the arch of the brow, and then from there bring 2 lines down to draw the end of the brow there. here. So she's raising her brows like this. Okay, and now let's frame the face. So let's determine where the chin will be. So from the bottom of the lip towards the end of the chin, maybe right around here. So this is like slightly longer compared to the distance between the nose and the upper lip. Now let's frame the face by going sideways. And then here, now let's change the angle of the line by going up. The bottom of the nose corresponds to the lower end of the ear, and then the top of the ear should be somewhere around here. Let's see, right here. And we're going to do the same for the left side. And draw 2 points across, one for the bottom of the ear and one for the top of the ear, and connect these 2 points using a curved line. This way we make sure that the ears are sitting at the same height and also they're about similar in size. Okay, so now let's draw her hair. Now we're going to draw 2 lines like this, the hairline on the side, and let's draw a curved line that goes this way. That's her signature hairstyle, and connect these 2 lines together. Now let's draw a smaller curve on this side. And from their end of this curve, let's connect with this curve right there. And let's continue this curve up. So this is the top of her head. And I'm gonna draw a small hairband right there. And now let's draw a big curve that comes out from behind her head. Curve it down and bring it back out. I'm gonna draw a big curve to make her hair look fuller. And before we finish the rest of her hair, let's come back down to draw her neck and shoulders. This way we know that where to end her hair. And I'm just gonna show you in a moment why I need to draw the neck and shoulders first. So let's just draw this line out and curve it down, maybe a little wider for her shoulders. Okay, and same on the other side. Let's draw this line out. And bring it down. Okay, and we are going to worry about the details later, but now let's come back out to finish the hair. So from there, let's bring another curved line. And finally, from here, let's connect the hair to her shoulder. So that's why I need to draw the shoulders first, because I need to know where this curve ends. And now on the right side, let's draw this hair that curves in like this. And from there, draw another curve to connect to her neck. There, so that's the sketch of her head and hair. And now let's just quickly add some details to her uniforms. 2 angle lines like this. And there's an arrow here on her uniform. There, now let's color it in. There, and that is how to draw Beckett Mariner from Star Trek Lower Deck. I hope you enjoyed drawing with me today. Please give the video a like and subscribe to my channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with me today, and I'll see you next time.